Look at this repair somebody did. It's just kind of redneck. Sewer pipe, abandoned, and they just put a 3x6 on here. Back here, we're gonna tear all this crap out. We're gonna put brand new back in, and it's gonna look like it always did originally. Hey everyone, Kevin Jarday with Insta Dri. Today we're on a project that we were doing over in North Knoxville. Basically what was happening is the front porch was solid concrete, but it sank down about 8 inches. So right here, you can actually see daylight coming out. But also right here, they had a bunch of brick supports. So we're actually digging this out, where most companies will go in and they'll put extra supports in just to help hold the house up because it's cheap, it's easy, and they make a lot of money on it. We actually replace it. So what we're doing is we're taking all the old brick. See here? We're gonna take all this old brick out right here, all the way to the chimney there. We're gonna replace this whole corner. That's gonna make this whole side of the house solid. It'll make a basement like today's standards, but with yesterday's look. So everything we do with InstaDri is we try to make, if the house is 60 years old or more, we try to replace it back with the proper supports that look like they did back then. You know, you can use 2x10s, 2x12s, but we try to use solid log timber because we want to keep that look, and the customers and stuff like that. So they always appreciate that. So what we did, this is just temporary here. We're gonna pour a concrete footer here to hold this house up, and then we'll have this whole thing out. We're gonna put a good solid footer in here. We'll pour that footer full. We have the rebar and steel in that footer to make it good strong. And then we're gonna take and put a block wall through, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. Now I'm gonna come over and show you another area that we're gonna do on another section of this house. As you can see, you stick your finger in, this whole wall's bowing in. So from this column here back, this window, we'll take the window out, and we're gonna put back here, dig a footer, and also put up block walls there as well. So when we're done with this house, it'll be solid. You know, what we've done will be solid and strong from that side of the house all the way to this corner. Now we're not dealing with anything on the back of the house yet. The homeowner didn't want to get involved with that yet. But right now we're doing this front part because it's pretty expensive and pretty extensive to do so. We came in here, there's just tons of hodgepodge parts like this right here. Like we had somebody went in here and they put a 2x8 here, which is not, you hear it say it's actually pretty hollow, but it should have been solid all the way across. But it stops right here, then it starts here, then it stops there, and it stops here, and it stops here. It's nothing solid, right? So we're gonna go back here and tear all this crap out. We're gonna put brand new back in, and it's gonna look like it always did originally, and it'll be just as strong. A lot of times when they do this, it's because they have plumbing pipes in the way or whatever, but that's not the situation here. Now, you want to see something funny? Look at this repair somebody did. They got a sewer pipe abandoned, and they just put a 3x6 on here. It's just kind of redneck. These are the kind of things we run into all the time. Obviously, it's not the way it's supposed to be. So we'll take all this out, and it'll look like a brand new. It'll look really nice when we're done. So what we're doing here, we're gonna jack this house up. We're gonna take the pressure off the wall, and so that way we can take the wall out without having more of this side of the house collapsing, because it is the weight of load bearing is on the outside of the house, and so all this has to be supported. So if you have any questions or you like this, please like and share. I'd appreciate it, and if you can, join our YouTube family. InstaDri Kevin Jarday, InstaDri, Kevin Jarday, Jardet. We appreciate you.